Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to SHIB update today. Bitcoin is pumping, SHIB is pumping. What a time, man. What a time to be alive. We're still trading at 1550. I'm still on the verge of killing the zero as well. And one more thing, check the comment section for those people who want to be a part of Discord, because yesterday I actually did give a free trade for some of my members, and I actually told them to buy Bitcoin, and they did get into Bitcoin. So if I do scroll a little bit, you can see that we bought at 61k. We're trying to sell at 74k. So I gave it 21%, absolutely free of cost trade on Discord. So I can give you surprises like this. And the private is open up for September. There are some few days. Today's 24. In the next 6-7 days, I'm going to close it. And I've actually taken 160% trade yesterday. I took what is this? I took actually this 20% trade yesterday for this one. Now back into SHIB, and again the comment section, okay, for the link. Back into the SHIB. I think that SHIB wants to get parabolic, hopefully, and start to move really high. By the look of things, normally September is bad, but in the next 7 days, what I'm looking at is the monthly closing. So if SHIB ends up closing even like this, you're about to see September getting actually green. September is going to be really green, okay? Even though September is not that kind of a month, which tells me a lot that that bull run is actually on the verge. And I've been saying this again and again. What Bitcoin has been doing is nothing more than a bear trap. I've been saying this clearly, very clearly. And when I say hold, chill, relax, it's crypto, this is what I mean, okay? I want to show you this image, okay? Hold, chill, and relax, because this is what happens. This happened in one freaking day, just one day. I've always been preaching this again and again, that it just takes 2 days, 3 days, and everything changes. This is Sun on the daily, actually not even 1 or 2 days. This I can say it's 7 days, but look at this, okay? These are like 200 and maybe 50 days right there, and then 7 days, right? So hold, chill, and relax. These are the things that I expect on SHIB as well. These are the things that I expect on so many altcoins that are not moving, Matic and whatnot. Now, SHIB is coming up, but we have a challenge for SHIB to win, and that is we need to break some few resistances. We're pumping back up, but it's not good enough, because we have some resistance just right over here, okay? So this is where the resistance is actually right there. You can see that a touch, move down, touch, move down, touch, move down, okay? Now, I personally think we are about to break above, and if you break above, it's simple. You go back up to where you came from. Simple as that, okay? So the next target will be 4575, back to where you came from, and hopefully even higher and higher. Check the comment section for Discord, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love. Peace.